I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious sesame ramen. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need 1 package of ramen noodles, 2 tablespoons of rich sesame paste, and 1 tablespoon of savory soy sauce. Don't forget fresh aromatics like 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger. A protein, such as 2 soft-boiled eggs, will complete your meal. Next, let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil and add your ramen noodles, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, whisk together your broth base. Combine 2 tablespoons of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 1/2 cups of hot water. A dash of rice vinegar and a pinch of sugar will enhance the flavor. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your beautiful bowl of ramen. Carefully drain your perfectly cooked noodles and transfer them into a deep serving bowl. Next, gently pour the warm, aromatic sesame broth over the noodles, ensuring they are well coated. Finally, artfully arrange your protein, like sliced chicken or 2 soft-boiled eggs, and your favorite fresh garnishes on top for a visually appealing and delicious meal. To finish your sesame ramen, add some delightful garnishes. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of freshly chopped green onions over the top for a burst of freshness. A small drizzle of toasted sesame oil, about 1/2 teaspoon, will deepen the nutty aroma. For a little kick, add a pinch of chili flakes. Finally, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds adds a lovely crunch. Serve your delicious sesame ramen immediately and enjoy every warm, flavorful spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.